So today we are going to do English PT6 revision. आज मैं English PT6 का रिवीजन कराऊंगा इस वीडियो में. The question which I am giving here is not that exactly is going to come, but it will be MCQ type. इसी type का होगा. It will be like this type. It is just a sample question, not the exact question. Okay. तो all of you please keep on writing in your copy. आप सभी अपने कॉपी में लिखते रहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 मैंने दे दिया. विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज द सिनोनिम फॉर हैप्पी? ऑप्शंस आर पीस, गुड, ग्लैड एंड सैड. नाउ क्वेश्चन 2, कॉपी में लिखते रहे आप लोग. कीप ऑन राइटिंग इन योर कॉपी. At the end of every 5 question, I will tell you the answers. Okay. Now question number 2 लिखें आप लोग. So question number 2 is, which among the following is the antonym? Antonym means opposite of for lazy. A, active. B, playful. C, powerful. Or D, smart. Now question number 3. याद है ना, सिनोनिम मतलब सेम मीनिंग एंड एंटोनिम मतलब ऑपोजिट मीनिंग. ओके. Now question number 3 was, write the synonym for animal. एनिमल का सिनोनिम मतलब सेम मीनिंग क्या है? ए, एलियन. बी, क्रीचर. सी, जायंट. और डी, नन ऑफ दीज. कीप ऑन राइटिंग योर कॉपी. आई होप आप सभी कॉपी में लिख रहे हैं. Now question number 4. What is the antonym, mean opposite for generous? A. Big hearted. B. Peaceful. C. Huge. और D. Miser. लिख लो, कॉपी में लिख लो. Now question number 5. Now question number 5. How will you refer a woman whose husband had died? Options are A. Witch. B. Mistress. C. Widow. Or D. Nun. So now I am going to tell you the answers. Now I am going to tell you the answers. अब मैं आंसर बोलने जा रहा हूं, आप लोग मार्क कर लें. जिसमें भी मैं हरा टिक दूंगा, ग्रीन टिक, that is the answer. Okay. Now, which among the following is a synonym for happy? Question number 1. Answer is glad. Okay. Now next, which among the following is antonym, यानी opposite for lazy? Answer is number A, active. Question number 3, write the synonym for animal. Correct answer is B, creature. Question 4, what is antonym for generous? Answer is number D, miser. Question 5, how will you refer a woman whose husband had died? Answer is C, widow. Okay. Okay. Now I'm erasing this board. Now next question. Now question number 7. ये मैंने क्वेश्चन 1 to 5 सिनोनिम और एंटोनिम के ऊपर पूछा. अब मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 से होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 to 10 में लूंगा prefix and suffix. Okay, so keep on watching this. So write the suffix for hard. It's ely, LOI, ISTEM. That I will say later. टाइम बहुत कम है, लिखते जाएं, हाथ स्पीड में चलाएं. Write down question number 6 in your copy. Now question 7. Write the prefix for loyal. Question 7. Write the prefix for loyal. A. This. B. Im. C. In. Or none of these. Now question 8. I will tell you the answer at the end of question 10. Keep on writing in your copy. अपने copy में लिखते जाएं. Question number 8 is, now question 8 is, question 8 is, which is the correct suffix for child? Okay. Options are A. Nest, B. Ear, C. Meant, and D. Hood. Now question 9. I hope आप लोगों ने लिख लिया होगा सब कॉपी में. 1 to 5 दे दिया था मैंने, आप लोगों ने लिखा. Now it is 6 to 10. Keep on writing in your copy. कॉपी में लिखते रहें. Which is the correct prefix for lighten? Which is the correct prefix for lighten? A. N, B. Im, C. This, or D. Ill. This was question 9. Please अपने कॉपी में लिख लें. Now the last question, question 10. Now question 10. What is the opposite for legal? A. Dislegal, B. Illegal, C. Mislegal, or D. Non-legal. Now, I told you at the end of question 10, I'm going to give you the answer. So be aware, I'm going to give you the answer. Okay. So I'm going to give you the answer. जिसमें मैं ग्रीन टिक दे दूं वही आंसर होगा. You know that. So question 6. Write the suffix for hard. It will be B. Hardly. आप लोग भी टिक करते हैं अपने कॉपी में. Write the prefix for loyal. It will be A. Disloyal. Number 8. Which is the correct suffix for child? The answer is D. Hood. Childhood. Number 9. Which is the correct prefix for lighten? Answer is A. Enlighten. Question 10. What is the opposite for legal? It is B. Illegal. So मैंने आंसर दे दिया. मैंने आप लोग का रिवीजन करा दिया. I hope you all have understood. Now I am ending my video.